Hi everyone, I am Manoj and welcome to Uncodemy, India's #1 IT training company. In today's video, I will talk about how lists are indexed and sliced in Python. This video will be split into three parts. In the first part, I will tell you what are the lists and how do we create them. In the second part, I will be telling you about what is indexing and slicing in Python. And in the third part, I'll take the practical example to explain the concept. So let's start the first part of this amazing video. So what is list? So list is an ordered collection enclosed within square brackets and items or elements are separated by comma. So this is the definition of list. Basically, list is a collection. List is an ordered collection, and we can create lists by enclosing elements separated by comma into square bracket. And there are many characteristics of list. Like the first characteristic is list is an ordered collection. The second one is list items are mutable. We can modify them. Third one is list can contain duplicate items also, and the fourth one is list items can be heterogeneous in nature. So how do we create them? How do we create a list in Python? As I have already told you that we can create a list by enclosing elements separated by comma into square brackets. So for example, I want to create a list for fruits. So this is my square brackets. Say first fruit here is say banana, second fruit is mango, third fruit is grapes. So basically this is my list, and we can print the contents of the list using print function, and we can verify that this is a list by using type function. So our list is created. So this is how do we create a list in Python. So it's very easy to create a list in Python.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number